In Genesis chapter 1, the Bible says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." On day one of creation, God spoke and said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God called it day, and he called the darkness night. God looked at the light he had created, and he saw that it was good. On day two, God created the sky. He said, "Let there be a huge space between the waters." And that's what happened. He separated the waters of the earth into the clouds and moisture above, and into the waves of the ocean below. On day three, God spoke and said, "Let dry ground appear." And that's exactly what happened. He called the ground land, and he called the water seas. Then he spoke again and created grass and flowers and trees on the land. When God looked at it, he saw that it was good. On day four, God said, "Let there be lights in the huge space of the sky." And that's what happened. God created the sun to shine during the day, and he created the moon and stars to shine during the night. He created the planets and nebula and galaxies. When God looked deep into the universe, he saw that it was good. On day five, God said, "Let the waters be filled with living things, and let birds fly in the huge space above." So God created every sea creature that lives in the water and every kind of bird that flies in the sky. When God looked at it, he saw that it was good. On day six, God spoke and said, "Let the land produce all kinds of living creatures." And that's what happened. Wild animals filled the earth, mammals, insects, reptiles. When God looked at the animals on the land, he saw that it was good. God wasn't finished, though. He had saved the best for last. On that same day, God formed the first man out of the ground. He formed him in his own image, to look just like God looks. When God was finished shaping the man, he breathed the breath of life into him, and the man became a living person whom God would know and love. Out of that man, he created a woman too. Their names were Adam and Eve. At the end of day six, God looked at all he had created, and it was very good.